So today, we got another recaulking job. The whole floor, the whole tub, and we got all this mold. So we're gonna be cleaning up all the mold, sealing the tub, replacing the shower stem from being stripped out, replacing that, fixing that, turn that the right way, it's upside down. All around the toilet is being recaulked. We're gonna repair the door. Yeah, swing by. Time to pull out the old shower stem, all stripped out, to a brand new one. Install. Cut the water off. Gotta get some fresh water. Got me a bucket full of that. Let's go. New shower stem installed. Starting to come along. Starting to come along. Cut all that out, re-clean. Pulling all this. Gotta recaulk everything. Swing by. All done. Swing by. All the molds cleaned up. Recaulked everything. All the way around from the tub to the floor. Around the toilet. New doorknobs in. Oh yeah, we're doing pretty good.